Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sushmita, and in today's video basically I'm going to show you the products which I have got them as a PR or a brand collaboration. So it was for Instagram only, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, go do it right now. And without any further ado, let's just begin the video. Actually, I have kept all the products in this basket are here. Starting, let me tell you one thing. In today's video I'm just going to show you the skincare haul, basically all the products which I got for skincare and the collaboration. I have collected those products only and I'll show you guys. So okay, so let's first start with this huge box. It's from Dr. Seth's, and this one I recently got this, and inside this package you will get 3 products. Like I have got 3 products. It's there actually a gift set. I don't know what gift set. So the first product is basic brightening daily cleanser. So this is the first product which I got, and the second one is Gulab and Glycolic toner, and this is how it looks. It's meant for exfoliate, brighten and clarify your skin. It has rose extract, hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid. And the last I have antioxidant repair cream. It also meant to brighten, tighten and clarify your skin. It has vitamin E, reed oat and berry sugar lecithin in it. And the next, my most favorite product out of this PR and collaboration is this one, Blue Nectar Kumkum Adi Radiance Night Glow Serum. And this serum I just love and cannot rave about it, you guys. मैंने इसको पूरा का पूरा ख़त्म कर दिया है. ये छोटा सा बॉटल आई यूज्ड इट ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 2 months, एंड दिस सीरम हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन रिड्यूसिंग माय एक्ने स्कार्स. प्लस ये थोड़ा थिक कंसिस्टेंसी का होता है, तो नाइट टाइम के लिए बेस्ट है, बिकॉज नाइट में हमारे स्किन को लाइक काफ़ी टाइम मिलता है टू वर्क इंटरनली, और उस टाइम पे ये सीरम बहुत हेल्प करता है. एंड मेरे स्किन को इसने बहुत अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज एंड प्लम करके रखता था, एंड मॉर्निंग में आई जस्ट लव माई स्किन. एंड ये काफ़ी अच्छा खासा ग्लो भी देता था. मैंने इसको ख़त्म कर दिया, बट आई हैव अदर सीरम्स टू फिनिश, बट वंस आई फिनिश देम I'll definitely going to repurchase it, and I'll highly suggest you guys, if you have acne scars and if you are looking for a good serum, then you should definitely get this one, and I'm sure you're gonna love this. And also it has 26 vital herbs, and you will get every details on the packaging of it, and this serum comes with a dropper which makes it very easy to use. Third product is this one, Bioderma Sensi Bio S2O micellar water. So this micellar water is very good. It cleans your makeup in one swipe very well and does not leave any residue, and best for the sensitive skin just like me. I have a sensitive skin, and I use the Garnier oil cleansing micellar water, and it breaks me out so badly that I stopped using that. I only use to remove my liquid lipstick and eye makeup, not for the whole face makeup. And after that I started using Kaya cleansing cream for cleaning my makeup. After that I love this one also. So if you have a sensitive skin, I guess you should definitely check this one out. By the way, I'm making this video of my own choice, and whatever review I'm sharing with you guys, I have almost used this product for a time that कि हाँ मैं अब रिव्यू कर सकती हूँ, या मैंने जो भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है मैं वही आपको शेयर करूँगी. सो आई होप यू गाइज विल फाइंड इट हेल्पफुल. And before that, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And now let's move to our next product. Okay, so the next product is Orina Essential Face Scrub, and this is the product, and let me show you the inside also. And this is how this product looks like from. So I have used this face scrub many a time, but मुझे ये face scrub एकदम भी नहीं पसंद आया. First thing, it has a very chemically scented fragrance in it. So I have used this scrub, and the beads in this scrub is not that mild, so you have to be very careful while rubbing it. And second thing, ये blackhead हटाने में एकदम भी हेल्प नहीं करता है. मैंने इसको बहुत बार यूज़ किया, बट एक बार भी लाइक ब्लैकेट्स उतना रिमूव नहीं होता है. So there is no point of using this scrub, so I don't really like it. Next product is this one, Izori Vitamin C Moisturizer. I recently got like 2 weeks ago or something like that, or 1 week ago, but I did not use this product like by myself. I asked my mom to try it out. The reason why I did not use is that it has a very strong fragrance, and my skin is very sensitive, so I kind of get scared that it might react. So मेरे मम्मी ने इसको यूज़ किया था. It's a good moisturizer actually. she has some dry patches, and after using this moisturizer those were gone and her skin were smooth and moisturized again, so she really liked that. So I guess it's a good one. And the next product is this one, Dot and Key Skincare Ultimate Spot Corrector 10% Niacinamide Skin Clearing Serum, and this is how it looks. तो मैंने इस सीरम को अभी तक ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया, आई जस्ट यूज वंस और ट्वाइस, एंड उस टाइम पे मुझे थोड़े थोड़े ब्रेकआउट्स दिखे थे, एंड आफ्टर दैट मैंने इसको ऐसे ही रख दिया है बिकॉज आई एम लिटिल स्केयर्ड, एंड इट हैज़ अ 10% नियासिनामाइड। आई गेस वो बहुत ज़्यादा होगा बिकॉज आई एम अ बिगिनर एंड मैं कोई भी लाइक एक्टिव यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ मेरी स्किन में, सो आई बी अ लिटिल हार्श फॉर माई स्किन, सो I'll try to use it like alternative days and then get my skin used to this one, and this is how this look. So I really like the packaging, it's really very cute, and it has 1% zinc actives with vitamin E and B, and it also helps in making your skin glow. So I have not used it, so I cannot say anything. And the next product is from Mamaearth Vitamin C Sleeping Mask, and this is how it looks. I have not tried this product at all. ये मैंने अभी तक खोला भी नहीं है, ऐसे के ऐसे रखा हुआ है, and first of all ये लाइक PR नहीं था या कोलैबोरेशन नहीं था, इसको मैंने खुद से खरीदा था। ऐसा दिखता है और इसमें भी बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल है। सो इसका जो फ्रेग्रेंस है वो रोज़ एंड ट्री ट्री का मिक्स है, एंड ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है। एक्चुअली मामाअर्थ के वेबसाइट पे ऑफर चल रहा था दैट बाई 2 एंड पे फॉर ओनली 1, सो आई बॉट दिस वन एंड दिस वन. So I actually wanted to try out this serum. I started using this serum. Basically it's a cream serum, and जैसा कि नेम है स्किन इल्यूमिनेट, इट डज नॉट मेक योर स्किन लुक इल्यूमिनेटिंग लाइक ग्लोई डूई, बट ये आपको एक अच्छा खासा मैट फिनिश देता है और आपकी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज रखता है। सो इट्स अ गुड फॉर द समर टाइम, क्योंकि समर टाइम में हम लोग ज़्यादा कुछ हैवी नहीं चाहते हैं अपनी स्किन पे, सो उस टाइम के लिए परफेक्ट होगा, बट विंटर के लिए एकदम भी सही नहीं होगा। इवन समर में भी ड्राई स्किन के लिए आई डोंट थिंक सो ये एक परफेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा। And the next product is from Pilgrim, this vitamin C night serum. So this serum is very lightweight and it gets absorbed in your skin very quickly. I have used it for a week so that I could review it, and I already posted the review of this on my Instagram, but after that I have not used it because same other serums are not yet finished, but I'll definitely try to use this, and it's very affordable. You will get for 550 दिस यूज बॉटल, बिकॉज सीरम्स जो होते हैं वो जनरली बहुत कॉस्टली होते हैं एंड बहुत ही छोटी टाइनी बॉटल्स में आते हैं। तो अगर आपको 550 में इतना बड़ा बॉटल मिल रहा है एंड यू आर गेटिंग अ फुल बॉटल फिल्ड प्रोडक्ट, देन इट्स अ रियली अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट, एंड यू विल गेट अ ड्रॉपर विद इट so that you can apply it, and it has a vitamin C, so that's also a good for your skin. And Pilgrim products are inspired from Korean skincare, so basically if you want to try out any Korean skincare product, then I think you should definitely check out Pilgrims because they have such wonderful products. This use bottle is also from Bioderma, and this bottle has one cotton ball for a packet and the other an Asensi Bio S2 from Skin RC. So I got from Style Craze PR, and this is mainly meant to prevent your foot from those शू बाइट्स। मेनली क्या होता है कि जब हम लोग हील्स पहनते हैं तो जो हमारे कॉर्नर पार्ट्स होते हैं लाइक हमारी स्मॉल फिंगर या हमारे फिंगर्स के बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा जो फ्रिक्शन होता है उसकी वजह से हमारी स्किन छिल जाती है या उधर में छलके पड़ जाते हैं, तो उससे आपको ये जेल जो होता है वो प्रिवेंट करेगा। And the next product is from My Glam. It's the Manish Malhotra Kesar Face Pack Gel. So recently Manish Malhotra launched skincare range, and this one is from that range only. So basically it's a Kesar Face Pack Gel, and let me show you guys how the product looks. So this is how the product looks. The packaging is quite classic, and product is also good. But this product retails for almost 1200, and you will get nothing different from aloe vera gel. It has the same property as the aloe vera gel. The difference it has is a kesar. Other than that, the soothing effect is also same as aloe vera. It also gives a little glowing skin, same as aloe vera. So I think it's a little pricey product which you can easily replace with an aloe vera gel. It's from Rinkwell Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. So this sunscreen gel is mainly meant for those who sweats a lot, and this sunscreen gel is also perfect to wear under your makeup. So and And also this is a non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores, suitable to all the skin type. Plus it has SPF 50 PA4+. That's also a great formula to protect your skin from harmful sun rays. And this sunscreen gel gives a smooth finish to your skin and velvety touch, so I really like this sunscreen. The next product is also from Requil, oil free moisturizer, and this is how this product looks like. It's also non-comedogenic, so same as that, it will not clog your pores and suitable to normal to oily skin. And currently I'm using this moisturizer. So first you apply this moisturizer for 1 or 2 minutes. It feels little heavier on the skin. After that it gets absorbed in the skin and give you a very matte finish. So I really like this moisturizer, but not a great option for the dry skin. Product is from Requil, Oxybenzone and OMC sunscreen. So basically these two ingredients are the chemical agents which are mainly present in other sunscreen, and they are very harmful. They can cause you skin cancer, make your skin very sensitive, lead to breakouts and many more harmful things. So this sunscreen is free from those, and also it gives you 6-hour long protection, non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores and suitable to sensitive, oily and acne prone skin, not suitable for the dry skin. And this one gives you a ultra matte finish and get absorbed in your skin very quickly and does not leave any white cast. Delays, but it's not a skincare product, it's a toilet seat sanitizer from Everteen. So I got bunch of products from Everteen which was related to hygiene, but I gave those products to one of my friend because I already have many products for hygiene, so I don't really needed them. And I guess this is a great option because we all know public toilets are so unhygienic, so this is a great option to use. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down which product you like or you want to try out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.